Hello everyone, so now we are starting our practical, and in this particular video we are going to see how actually we can create a Azure Synapse Workspace in a Azure environment. I hope you already have a Azure account. If you don't have Azure account, you can create a free Azure account. You will get 30 days free trial for the Azure account creation. That part actually you can do, and after that you can start a practical. So let me open a Azure portal. I have already created an account. So once you will open your Azure portal, right, you will see like this particular screen, portal.azure.com, and this is the URL which you have to open. After that, what you have to do, we are going to create Azure Synapse. So in a search bar, you have to search for the Synapse. Once you will search for the Azure Synapse, you can see this Azure Synapse Analytics is coming. Click on that. After that, you can see we as of now we don't have any workspace, so we can create a new Azure Synapse Analytics workspace. So click on the create. Once you will click on the create, you will see this particular screen. In this screen, what we have to do, first we have to select the subscription. If you have a free trial subscription, right, you can select that. After that, we have to give the resource group. So if you haven't created any resource group, what you have to do, click on the create new, give any name and click on the OK. The resource group will be created. So under the resource group only, we are going to create a certain services. So for that the resource group is required. I have already created resource group. I will select that. There is one more thing, manage resource group. There are few services which Azure will manage. So for that, if you want to specific name you want to give, you can give in the manage resource group, so that the specific name it will taken. If you will not mention anything, by default it will take any name which Azure will manage. So manage resource group, that will come. As of now I am not giving anything. After that, the workspace name. So what is the workspace name you want to give? So I will give the workspace name POC Synapse practical something. This is the one I am giving. You can give any name. POC workspace practical, this one is I am giving. After that, the region you have to select. So what I will select, I will select the region as a East US 2. Near to your region, you can select that. After that, there is an option to select your the data lake storage account, means ADLS account. In a Synapse workspace, it will be directly connected to the ADLS Azure Data Lake storage, right? So if you already have any Azure Data Lake storage, you can select from here. If you don't have any data lake storage, any data lake, what you can do, you can create a new. So what I am going to do, I am going to create one data lake storage. I will give the name as a POC data lake something. Make sure the name should be unique. So I will give the random name. This is the name actually I am going to create. This is the Azure Data Lake storage I am going to create. Click on the OK. So this is the Azure Data Lake storage we have created. After that, the file system name is coming. So file system name is nothing but it is kind of the container. So in a blob storage we create a container, right? Similarly in file system name we have to give. So what I will give, I want to create one container name POC input something. So this is what I want to create. So I'll give the name. You can also create a container, any container which you want. After that, what we have to do, we have to click on the next security. So by default, what actually happen when you will create a Azure Synapse, this serverless SQL pool will be created. Serverless SQL pool will be created. For that, if you want to specify the password, right, and that you can specify. So I'll give the password here. Make sure to remember that. So I will mention the password. The password I have mentioned. After that, we'll click on the next. Networking will go by default. Tags, review and create. After that, you will see whatever you have created, right? You can see it is costing per TB is around the 5 USD for the whatever the services we are using. So per TB for the serverless SQL which we have created, right? For per TB it is costing this much, and if you want to read, right, serverless SQL is available immediately after provisioning the workspace and follow pay per query billing model. Means whatever the query you will write, right? Whatever the query you will write, only for those you have to pay. So that is the pricing for that. And for the per TB, right, for the scanning you will cost 5 USD. So that is what it is saying. And whatever you have selected, right, you can see this and click on the create. once you will click on the create, right, the deployment will initialize. So you can see in Azure Synapse we have mentioned the data lake storage. So it will create a Azure Data Lake storage. It will create the Synapse Workspace, and also it is going to create the SQL serverless SQL pool. So this all the things actually it is going to be created. So you can see deployment is in progress. So let's wait it to be completed. Now you can see the deployment is completed. We will click on the go to resource group. Once you will click on the go to resource group, right, you can see one Synapse workspace we have created, as well as one data lake also we have created. So let me open a data lake. I'll show you what is the data lake we have created. One data lake storage account we have created, right? So you can see this POC data lake which got created, as well as we have also mentioned the container. So let's see one container got created or not. So what you have to do, go to the data storage container. You can see one container which we have mentioned, right, that also got created, and as of now we don't have any file there. So we have created data lake storage also. Now coming to the Synapse workspace, this is the Synapse workspace we have created. All the things you can see here, whatever the activity log, IAM control, you can mention from here. Now to open a Synapse Studio, right, you can see open Synapse Studio. Click on this. Once you will click on the this, right, Azure Synapse Workspace will be created. Now during the creation we also created one SQL serverless SQL pool, right? So you can see SQL pool, built-in SQL pool, serverless SQL pool got created. This also we can see here. Now once you will open a Synapse Workspace, right, you can see this is the Synapse Workspace, or you can also mention the URL web.azuresynapse.net, that also will open. Now this is the window for the Synapse Workspace. Now here you can see the ingestion, all the any kind of the ingestion you can do. You can do the explore and the analysis, and also you can visualize this, like you can connect with the Power BI. In the left side window, right, in left side window you can see we have a home option, we have a data option, we have a develop, we have a integrate, and we have a monitor, and also we have a manage. Once you click on the home, you will see this particular workspace. Go to the data. In the data option you can see you have a workspace as well as the linked. So as of now workspace is empty, but if you click on the link, right, this is linked with the Azure Data Lake storage, whatever we have created. Link is nothing but whatever is already linked, means link service we were using in Azure Data Factory, right? So that actually we have mentioned here, means it is already linked with the Azure Data Lake storage. And also you can see the container name also it is showing me. You can see this is the container name. In this container as of now no file is available, but if you want to upload any file, right, from here also you can upload that file. You can upload the file, you can create a folder, anything also you can do. So in a link service, whatever the storage you have linked, right, that also you will see here. It means all the kind of the data you can see from here in the linked. Now coming to the develop. In the develop, all the kind of the development actually we will do. So if you want to create a SQL script, right, you can create a SQL script. If you want to create a KQL script similar to the SQL, you can create that. You can create a notebook for any kind of the PySpark code, that also you can do. You can create any kind of the data flow like similar to the Azure Data Factory we were doing, right, that also we can do. So this all the option is available in a develop option, we can do that. Now if you click on the integrate, the third option is integrate. Click on the integrate, click on the plus. You can see we have a pipeline option. Click on the pipeline. Once you will click on the pipeline, right, so you can see this is the similar screen which we have seen in Azure Data Factory also. Like you can do a copy data, data flow, all the kind of the data factory activity, right, everything you can do here itself. In an integrate option, all the ADF pipeline which you want to set up, you can do that. In a develop option, right, if you click on the notebook, you can see here you will be able to write any kind of the PySpark code, means any kind of the PySpark code you can write here. If you click on the SQL script, it will open one SQL window, and in this SQL window you can write any kind of the SQL code, means you can write a SQL code, you can write any kind of the PySpark code, you can go to the integrate, you can create any kind of the pipeline, and also we have option for the monitor, any kind of the monitoring you can do. And also we get a direct connection for the Power BI. So if you want to connect the Power BI, that also option also is available. So what you have to do, you click on the visualize and you can connect to your Power BI workspace also. So Synapse is the one single workspace which is providing everything for the analytical purpose. Like you can write a SQL, you can write a PySpark, you can create a pipeline, and you can schedule it. Everything is possible here. In next video, we will try to explore more about this.